Oahu Real Estate Market Update for July 2024. In this video, I'll discuss the latest stats for the Oahu real estate market. Welcome back to Living in Honolulu, Hawaii. If you're new here, my name is Duke. I'm a real estate broker based in Honolulu, and on this channel, we explore real estate tips and strategies to help you make better decisions about buying, selling, or investing. First, I'll cover the market stats for single-family homes and condos. Then, I'll share the local market info for each neighborhood. Before we start, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you have any questions about real estate, reach out. My contact info is in the description below. Stick around to the end when I'll share some national trends from an expert who called the 2008 housing crash. For single-family homes, closed sales year-to-date were 1,362 homes sold, a 7% increase from 2023. For condos, closed sales are down 6% to 2,234 homes sold compared to last year. This is a steep drop from last month. The single-family home median sales price in June was $1.1 million, which is a 3% increase compared to 2023. Condos are at $510,000, a 2% increase from last year. Single-family homes are now spending a median of 20 days on the market, 20% lower than last year, while condos are spending a median of 29 days, which is 32% higher than last year. New listings are currently at 1,899 single-family homes this month, which is an 11% increase compared to last year. For condos, new listings are now 3,697 condos this month, which is a 17% increase from last year. New listings for both single-family homes and condos have been increasing since December. For single-family homes, pending sales rose to 1,551 homes, 3% higher than last year. On the condo side, pending sales are at 2,455 homes in escrow, which is 5% lower than last year. Months of inventory for single-family homes has increased to 3.0 months, 15% higher than last year. Condo months of inventory also increased to 4.7 months, 68% higher than last year. Overall, supply appears to be on an uptrend. The number of active listings for single-family homes is now at 653 homes, an 8% increase year on year. For condos, active listings increased to 1,729, a 49% increase year on year. Single-family homes active inventory has been increasing since December. The percentage of list price received is now 99% for single-family homes and 98% for condos. Single-family homes sales were highest in the $1 million to $1.5 million price range, making up 41% of total closed sales. 99.6% of single-family home sales received full list price or more. Condos between $700,000 and $1 million accounted for 19% of sales, which was the highest share of any price bracket. 98% of condos sold at list price or higher. Overall, prices remained stable year over year, while pending sales and new listings saw a slight decrease compared to last month. Now, let's look at the numbers for each neighborhood on Oahu year to date. Aina Haina-Kuliouou single-family home median price is now $2 million and is based on 37 closed sales. Days on market are now 22. For Moana Kakaako, most of the inventory consists of condos. The median condo price is now $730,000, which is 13% higher than last year. Days on market are 57. For downtown Nuuanu, the median single-family home price is now $1.2 million. Days on market are 18. Condo prices are now $590,000 and days on market are 23. For the Ewa Plain, the single-family home median price is now at $882,000 and days on market are 26. For condos, prices are $682,000 and that's 3% higher than last year. Days on market are 22. Waikiki single-family home prices increased to $1.7 million, which is 16% higher than last year. For condos, prices have dropped by 6% compared to last year, which is now at $780,000. Days on market are 12. For Kailua, Waimanalo, single-family home median price is now $1.7 million, which is 7% higher than last year. Days on market are 10. For condos, the median price is now $780,000 and days on market are 16. In Kalihi, Palama, single-family home prices are now $900,000, 6% higher than last year. Days on market are 23. On the condo side, median price is at $391,000 and days on market are 50. For Kaneohe, the single-family home median price is now 1.1 million, and days on market are 14. For condos, the median price is now 760,000, and days on market are 16. For Kapahulu Diamond Head, the median single-family home price is 1.4 million, and days on market are 16. For condos, the median price has decreased to 614,000. Days on market are 15. For Makaha and Nanakuli, the median single-family home price is 660,000. Days on market are 34. Condo median price increased to 250,000, and days on market are 39. For Makakilo, the median single-family home price is 950,000, 3% lower than last year. Days on market are 36. For condos, the median price is 565,000, and days on market are 22. For Makiki Moiliili, the median single-family home price is 1.6 million, and days on market are 14. For condos, the median price is at 405,000, and days on market are 36. The Mililani median single-family home price is now 1.07 million, and days on market are 20. For condos, median price is at 516,000, and days on market are 23. Moanalua Salt Lake median single-family home price increased to 1.2 million, which is 17% higher than last year, while days on market are 14. For condos, the median price is now 430,000, and days on market are 36. For the North Shore, the median single-family home price is 1.6 million, and days on market are 20. For condos, the median price is 1 million, and days on market are 11. For Pro City Aiea, the median single-family home price is now 1 million, 12% higher than last year. Days on market are 14. For condos, the median price is 460,000, and days on market are 27. For Wahiawa, the median single-family home price is 835,000, and days on market are 19. For condos, the median price increased to 345,000, which is 4% higher than last year, and days on market are 12 days. Waialae Kahala median single-family home price is 2.4 million, and days on market are 42. For condos, the median price is 635,000, and days on market are 47. For Waikiki condos, the median price is now 430,000, and days on market are 33. For Waipahu, median single-family home price is 950,000, and days on market are 23. For condos, the median price is 524,000, and days on market are 18. For the Windward Coast, the median single-family home price is 1 million, 14% lower than last year. Days on market are 74. For condos, the median price is 400,000, which is a 189% increase compared to last year, and days on market are 14. Now, let's talk about the current state of the national housing market, according to a recent interview with Bill McBride, an expert who correctly predicted the 2008 housing crash. High residential construction employment is often seen as a sign of economic health. While this could indicate a soft landing, it might also be a delayed rollover due to the ongoing multifamily projects. Single-family home sales are strong thanks to home builder incentives, but we could see a decline in construction employment later this year or in 2025. Regarding inventory levels and home prices, traditionally, house prices drop when inventory exceeds 6 months. However, in 2022, prices fell even with just 3 months of supply. Inventory is on the rise, which is expected to slow price growth. If inventory surpasses 5 months, we might see price declines. In the South, particularly in Florida and certain parts of Texas, inventory is rising sharply. This is largely due to unaffordable homeowners insurance, driven by storms and climate change. This trend might indicate a shift toward more desirable northern areas. Lastly, let's talk about the biggest long-term factors affecting the housing market. Restrictive construction policies and climate impact are significant headwinds. However, favorable demographics and potential benefits for water-rich states due to climate change present key tailwinds. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the long-term outlook. Alright guys, that's it for this month's market update. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, click the subscribe button, and the notification bell next to that. If you're ready to take the next step in making Oahu your home, reach out. Thank you so much for watching.